On the Pocket 4, there is a feature that is called Active Track, and this one is made to follow you. There is two ways to enable it. The first one will be to hit your face twice. And as you can see now, it says Active Track Enable. So wherever I move, it will follow me. You can also recenter if you're using the joystick here at the bottom. You can recenter yourself differently from what we see. If I want to put myself on a third, I can do it. And while I'm moving, it will try to keep me on that third. If I want to stop to follow me, I just have to click tap on the screen or on me, and as you can see, it did stop follow me. The other way is with the gesture that you can enable from this screen here with the end. If this gesture control is enabled, from here, if I show 5 finger, it will look at the screen if there's something to follow, and as you can see, it does follow me. I can do that one more time and it will stop follow me. There we go. I hope this was helpful.